Mix lemon and garlic and clear the heart blockages. The combination of these ingredients is usually used for dressings, salads, or soup. However, many people do not know that this mix is extremely beneficial for the health as well. Combining these ingredients will improve the blood flow, lower the cholesterol, and unclog the arteries. So, don't hesitate to try this natural remedy. It will help you to regulate your high cholesterol and protect yourself from a heart attack. It is very easy to prepare, and the best part is that it has no side effects. So, check out these two recipes. Recipe 1. Needed ingredients: 6 lemons, 30 cloves garlic. Directions: first, you should peel and cut the lemons, then cut the garlic. Put them in a blender and blend them with water. Put the mixture in a pot and cook for 5 minutes, then place in a jar and store it in the fridge. It is recommended to take 50 ml of this remedy for 3 weeks. Pause for a week, then repeat the procedure for 3 weeks once again. You should do this twice a year. Recipe 2. Needed ingredients: 1 cup ACV, 1 cup garlic juice, 1 cup ginger water, 1 cup lemon juice. Directions: mix all the ingredients and boil them for 30 minutes. Let it cool, then add 3 cups honey. Stir well, place it in a jar and store it in the fridge. You should take 1 tablespoon of this remedy a day, before your breakfast.